Today, we're going to be going over a step-by-step guide on how you can set up your Facebook page for your business. So the first step, first of all, you have to have a Facebook profile. You do have to have one. You can't make a page without a profile. So you need to create that. That's pretty simple. But once you have that, you can go over to the left side over here and you'll see something that says pages, and you want to click on that. And then on the left panel again, you'll see something that says create page, and you're going to click create page. And it's going to prompt you to fill out some information. So your page name, so this would be my business or whatever your business name is. You can choose your category, and when you type in something, it's going to give you a drop down and let you choose what you think the best category would be. So let's say I'm going to type in social media. We'll say social media agency, but there will be a lot of different options depending on what you type in. And you could add a couple if you have something that's better. Maybe I want to be a marketing agency as well. So add those, and then right here you can add your bio, so anything about your business. We provide blah, blah, blah. And the next step would be to click create page, and you are done. That is how easy it is to set up your actual Facebook page. And once you create that, you'll see something that says your pages on the left. So if I click on one of mine, you can see it says this page isn't visible yet, so we actually need to publish it. But here is where you can add more information. So you can click here, you can add a profile picture. If you click up here, you can edit this background picture right here. And if we go down to our edit page info on the bottom left over here, we can add more information. You can give yourself a username. Again, that description we could have created. You can update any of this information. And this has things like your phone number, your website, your email, your location, or if you have a service area, and just a lot more business information. Now, if you want to create a post, that button is right over here. You can do that. And when you feel like you're ready, you need to publish your page for people to be able to see it. And that's this button in the top right here. And it also gives you an option to add a button. And this can be just a button that people can press to do any of these things. If it's booking, if they want to schedule a call with you or send you a message, send you an email, there's a lot of different options here, and you can add those buttons up there. So it's a lot easier for people to do those actions. And then we have things like our inbox and our messages and our notifications over here, as well as insights where you can see page data, how many people are going to your page. As well as if you want to run ads, you can go over to the ad center and you will have to kind of set up something else in there to be able to run ads. Now, if I click on a page that is published, it will look a little bit different. So when it's published, you will get this option if you click on your profile in the top right over here. And you see this where it says switch into, and then this is my other page. And if you don't see that, you can click on see profiles and see if you can click into it. If I click on that, I will then be acting as the page. So it's almost like that page has an account, even though it is tied to that personal account. And you'll see things like your professional dashboard, your insights, ad center, etc. So professional dashboard kind of looks like this. So you can see the post reach. I don't use this account, but you have a lot of different info here. You have your content, your audience, and a lot more information. But one of the things that I think a lot of people will find useful is if you click under settings here, Facebook likes to kind of hide things for some reason. If you click under new pages experience, this is where you can give people access if you want to give someone an admin or share access to your page with certain people. You would click add new here. Click next, and then you would search someone's name in here. You could find them and it will send them a notification where they can then either be an admin or have just some moderation privileges in there.
Tired of feeling overwhelmed with marketing your small business? Let our experienced marketing team help your business grow. With personalized strategies tailored to meet your needs, we'll help you stand out in a crowded market. Contact us today for more information at foxsocialmedia.com.
And the last thing that most of you will want to do is connect your Instagram profile, if you have one, to your Facebook page. And how you can do this is by, under that settings tab again, clicking linked accounts. And you'll see my Instagram will pop up and I will click connect. This one is already connected, but it'll prompt you to log into Instagram, ask if you want to connect it, and it will connect it, and they will be kind of commingled now. So that's how you can set up your Facebook page. It's pretty simple and straightforward. There's a couple hidden settings like those admin settings, but like I said, it's very straightforward. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.